Hi, I'm Taylor Fraser with the Daavlin Technical Service Team. Today we'll be showing you how to remove a flex controller from a 7 series. The first step in removing the flex controller is taking off this back panel here. This back panel has 2 screws, one at the top, one at the bottom. Those screws are 1/4-inch screws, so we'll go ahead and grab our driver here and remove those. Now I've already removed the one at the bottom, so once we have this one out on the top, we can go ahead and pull off the back panel. And there are wires attached to the panel, so you want to gently set this to the side. Now you'll see that the controller has wires plugged into it. This is a good time to take a picture of this because you want to wire the new controller up the same way. So we'll go ahead and pull those out. These are going to be securely fastened, so you may have to wiggle them a little bit because of the resistance. And then the controller has 2 brackets on it, one on the left side, one on the right side, and there are 2 5/16 nuts in those. So we'll take our driver, and I've already removed 3, so I'll remove the last one here. Remove that bracket. Now you want to be careful because the controller does come out from the front, so we're going to go ahead and push that out. Set that to the side, and we'll grab our new controller and put that in from the front. And then we'll wire it up the same way. We're going to go ahead and grab that bracket again. I'm going to put both those on. Now that we have that attached, we can go ahead and put the back panel on. We want to watch those wires again. They might be coming out a little bit. Once that's securely fastened, we can go ahead and grab our 1/4-inch screw. And we'll put the top one in. And we'll also want to put the bottom one back in. Now the unit's ready to use. I would like to thank you for watching this demonstration on removing a flex controller from a 7 series. I would encourage you to watch our other instructional videos that we've made available to you. If you have any further questions regarding the 7 series, please feel free to contact one of our Daavlin Technical Service Team members, either by phone or email. Thank you.